Timing the real estate market? How long you been doing that, and how's that working out for you? Hi folks, Stephen Smith here with Silicon Valley Real Estate Advice with Stephen Smith. Well, today let's talk a little bit about timing the market. I've talked to lots of clients and lots of people, and I keep hearing this story. Man, I'm trying to time the market. I'm waiting for the bubble to burst. There's got to be a correction, and it's going to be huge. It's been going on for too long. Well, that's been going on for a while, but I'm not sure that we really have any major corrections going on coming up soon. In fact, if you're waiting for a bubble to burst, you may be waiting for quite a long time. And I'll tell you some of the reasons why. A lot of this is pandemic related. So there really aren't enough homes, and home builders are struggling to catch up. Lumber prices and materials have gone up. Inflation is crazy right now, driving prices up. People are having a hard time just getting qualified workers back again. So this is having a real problem, and there's still a lot of buyers available. The interest rates have gone up, but they're still not historically high. They're just not rock bottom historically low. Fewer people are still selling. We don't have the lack of inventory like we had earlier in 2022. It's definitely better, but there still aren't enough homes, and there is definitely a pent-up demand for buyers that want to own their own home for a number of different reasons. And a lot of it has to do with people and millennials and what have you. They're having kids and they need bigger homes, just to name a few. All right, we're probably either in or heading towards a neutral market, but it's still pretty hot out there. But when will this market actually calm down? Well, a lot of the experts at Zillow predict it might take 1, maybe 2 years for things to really normalize, where you have less of this pent-up demand and not enough inventory. Higher mortgage rates definitely are a factor, but it's not the only thing. People have been buying houses, even when we had double-digit inflation a long time ago, back in the early 1980s, late 1970s. So there's still a pent-up demand. Okay, so what can home buyers do that are trying to find something? Well, you might have to get a little bit more creative and look just outside the initial area that you were thinking of. If you're one of those people that can either have work from home or maybe a hybrid situation where you can only have to go to the office maybe once or twice or 3 times a week, making it a little bit easier to be able to live a little bit farther away. The other thing I think is just to really be patient. But don't be too patient, because the housing market, particularly in Silicon Valley and the Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area, is predicted to go up. I mean, it's kind of flattened out a little bit right now as we're getting into the summer of 2020, but it's definitely going to continue to rise. Traditionally, it always has. So if you're waiting for that bubble to burst, don't wait too long, because you may be waiting for a really long time, and as housing prices keep on going up, it might get harder and harder for you to get a house. So my advice to you is don't wait for the bubble to burst, because the chances are you may be waiting for hell to freeze over. In any event, that's pretty much it for today. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please share it with your friends, like it, subscribe. And if you're interested in buying or selling in the Silicon Valley area or San Francisco Bay Area, please reach out to me. I would love to work with you. If you're selling, I can get you the highest possible price, or if you are buying, I can negotiate the best possible price for you. So with that, that ends another episode. And until then, we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching.